Hi there. Today I'll be showcasing a few problems of the Idaho Department of Land's Jobs and Employment site. So to start, I actually want to go over the Washington DNR's website and how simple it is to find employment opportunities. The reason being is that they are two similar agencies with many of the same types of job positions. On the DNR's website, the first thing you'll notice is Employment. Under Employment is Jobs, a separate link, and once you click on Jobs, it takes you to a website titled careers.wa.gov. And this website basically has all of the jobs that are open in the agency, how to apply, and it's really simple and in one location. Now we're going to go ahead and switch over to the Idaho Department of Land's website, and to save some time, because I already know that if you click on Idaho Department of Lands once you search it and you end up on their homepage, you won't be able to find jobs or employment on the website at all. So what you have to do is search Idaho IDL. Don't click on the home page, you go down below to Jobs. So we're going to go ahead and click on Jobs. Now the big issue with this is that you can see here you have jobs, you have permanent openings and temporary job openings. If you click on any of these, it doesn't take you to an application process, it doesn't take you to it doesn't give you any information on how to apply for the jobs. It just gives you a PDF link that describes what the job is. Now, if you scroll all the way down, you can find temporary employee applications, which is basically another PDF link that you can download, print off, whatever it is, and then they don't have any information on where you would put that application or how to actually apply for the job. So in conclusion, the IDL's job website is really confusing. As you can see, it's just outdated, and it takes a lot of time to navigate, multiple clicks, and the application process needs to be simplified. And the website really, really needs to be updated. That's about all I have for you today. Thank you so much.